Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. How was your week? Well, my week didn't start great. Ishi was very unwell for past couple of days. She was suffering from diarrhea. Reason we still don't know. Maybe it is the excessive heat or something. Since I was busy taking care of her, there was so many chores that was pending on my list. And jotting it down in my bullet journal really helped. Before I start cooking, I just thought I'll give you a glimpse of my new kitchen makeover which I shared with you guys in my last video. Link is in the description for you. I made her some rice kanji or gile chawal with loads of water and some pink salt. The first thing I attended was my plants. They were in such a drab condition and I was feeling so bad for them. I also ordered couple of products for my bathroom few days back. These are simple stick-on products and I think they will make my life really easy. I have shared this trick with you guys couple of times. Use a paper tape, then use a double-sided heavy-duty tape and then put your stick-on product on it. This creates such a strong adhesive and it will last you for a very long time. When I was doing this makeover, I was not aware of this, that this 3M tape will just not come out from the tiled wall. These stick-on towel holders was another amazing find on Amazon. Since I clean the house myself, I'm always in a hunt for things which will make my life a little easy and help me do the cleaning process really fast. So I found this cleaning brush. On one side it has bristles and on other side we can attach these sponges. The bristles look strong and pretty abrasive, so it's quite good for cleaning. And the other side was a little rough to attach these sponges. These sponge pad came with a scrub pad as well, so which made it really easy for cleaning. And this was a complete hand-free solution because you can refill the cleaning solution in this slot. So the liquid comes out from this spout and I was super excited to use this product. I added zip ties to hang them from again a stick-on hook. Because of lot of water splashes, these labels were coming out. I thought of adding sellotapes. This corner was getting too cluttered with loads of small little bottles. Just added these amber bottles which I have used in my master bathroom as well. Since it's summer vacation time, we often play some sort of a game every afternoon.
Next. E.
And we played this interesting game, Hangman, where you have to guess the word.
Okay, I'm halfway through hanging. Day. Oh no.
Yeah.
Wait, we can't take a picture until then.
Yeah, that was really funny. Apple iPad. Who gives Apple iPad?
May you always find your way to.
As many of you have asked me my favorite baking product, and this is my favorite vanilla essence and vanilla bean paste, which I use it often for my custards.
You're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
Today for the evening snacks, I'm making Jowar Chura Bhuja. It is a simple recipe where I have taken a tablespoon of mustard oil and in that I have added some spices, peanuts, sesame seeds, curry leaves, green chili, And in the same kadhai, I will just quickly fry some onions. Jowar has many benefits. And this makes it excellent evening snack. Usually it is eaten with kale chane ki ghugni.
You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love.
Spiciness of this chura bhuja or jowar bhuja can be adjusted, and instead of mustard oil you can use olive oil or ghee. The day started on a note where there was so many things pending, and I'm so happy that I was able to accomplish so many things. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.